Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about record keeping when it comes to dealing with a flood insurance claim. You know, how long should you keep records for? What do you need to keep? And how could these records impact the amount of money you get? Well, we want to talk about that a little bit today. When it comes to record keeping, it's not just important for you to keep records of the flood loss that you just had, but see, it's even more important probably for the community that you're in to keep their records. The reason is FEMA can come back and audit 3, 4, 5 years later. And if the right records are not kept on hand, then it could be that FEMA tries to get the money back they've given out. So this is also really important when it comes to record keeping for you. The reason is, let's say you have an appraisal and you're not getting the money that you think you should be getting on your flood loss. Well, this is where record keeping comes into play. The more records that you can have is the stronger case you can have to get more money out of your flood loss. So record keeping can have a big impact on the amount of money that you get on a flood claim. So let's talk about some things when it comes to record keeping. One big thing is personal contents coverage. You know, you want to make sure that you've got pictures, VIN numbers, photos, videos, anything you can of that personal property that was destroyed. And you want to be able to document of what that property was worth before compared to what happened to it. Same thing of your house. If you have a contractor who comes up and does some work because maybe FEMA's delayed in getting an adjuster out there, you want to document it. You want to document all these things. Now, how long should you keep these records for? Well, we recommend keeping these records for 5 to 7 years. And as I said, the reason is FEMA could come back and audit and be looking for these records. So it's very important that you keep these records on file. So if you've got questions about record keeping when it comes to flood insurance claims, or you've got questions about flood insurance, maybe you want to look at getting your flood zone changed, please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook channels where we do our daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Thank you.